If you use Audacity and you install plugins on it and have removed it from your file system but they still show up in your plugin list, like if we open the add remove plugins from effects here, we'll see that there's a plugin that is existing in this list, gsnap at home.vst directory, but I have removed it from the file system itself. So what happens is it's still registered in the plugin registry config file, which can be accessed at your home.audacity data /plugin registry.cfg. So when you search for the plugin name, it's an ini structure like file. Just select the section of your plugin that's not existing anymore, remove it, save it, and relaunch your Audacity, and it will be gone from the list. You can also remove the entire file and it will get rebuilt, but I found this a bit cleaner.